Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to get IDs from the GEM or from this LSGM software onto your actual computer. So this is different from downloading your wellhead readings. This is basically how do I create a backup of this project on my computer. That way, if I lose everything here and I lose everything on my instrument, um, you would have a backup on your computer, or that way you could send that file to a coworker and like how we talked about like what what the software the IDs for the software on my computer aren't the same as what they're if I'm updating them here, they're not getting updated on my coworker's computer. So we could save a file, and if I have the updated file type, could send that to a coworker and he could upload that when he opens LSJM software with the GEM connected, he could upload that data file and have the updated IDs. So how you start out with this is, say you got to be on the project that you are going to want to back up. So let's start with these gas probe monitoring ones. Let's back this file up, come up here to archive, and then click create archive. You want to do it from the current project. Um, not There's really no routes here. We don't have a specific route. And then click all readings, and then since we clicked all readings, don't need to specify anything else here, and hit OK. And now it's just going to ask you where you want to save that. And of course, we're going to put this on our shared drive, and that it would be accessible to any of us as our coworkers. Start looking for just going to have to kind of wade through this. We're under environmental, and then we're under solid waste. There it is. And then I'm going to save this under the gas probe monitoring file, which is under the operating record. Operating record. Gas monitoring. So our operating for the landfill operating record, gas monitoring, and then I'll just generally save it. So GEM 5K IDs backup, and then files of type. We clicked all, and then just hit save. And then now let's go to our share drive to that location and just see if it's there and what it looks like. So I've got this under my quick links, my quick access. I've got operating record right here. Come over here to gas monitoring, and then it should be down here. I mean, I might create another folder to stick this in somewhere in here, but it should be. So there it is right there. So GAM is the file type. Um, if you want to, and you can email this just like you can email any other file to somebody. But if it doesn't work as a GAM file, you can change the file type to text. I believe you may have to open it and hit save as, and then choose the file type you want to save it as. Can't remember if you can do that here. Yeah, I think you would have to probably open it. So anyway, so that's a backup. So that way if you lost everything on the LSGM software and you lost what was on your instrument, you could get it back on your instrument with this file. So, and then how you do that is you would come back, how you would restore it if you lost everything here. Like for example, when we send the instrument off to QED to get it, we have to clear the instrument of all its IDs. So, if we did that here, and if we deleted this project, what you would do is let's actually we'll delete this project. No big deal. Really test it out here. Dang it. So figure out. We'll just click delete current project. Hit yes. All right, it's gone. That's confidence right there, because that takes a lot of work to create that project from scratch. So let's restore it in real time here. Come back up here to archive, restore from archive, and then you just got to go find it. Um, go back to that same location. We're under solid waste, landfill, operating record, gas monitoring, and then there it is right there. And then hit restore. And hoping it would be there. So we might have to close archive restore. 0 items restored. Huh. Okay, figured out what went wrong, just a small detail. So here's how, let's walk back through it from the beginning. Archive, restore from archive. Go find your file on the shared drive. Okay, once you click here, hit open. And what I didn't do was I didn't select the reading, so you have to hit the select all. Now, and then hit restore. Now you see it restore the items, and then come over here, and it's right there. So that's how you do that.